London. This is the second part. If you already don't know, I will put it in the description down below. Nature Walk Part 1. So this is Part 2. If you already haven't watched this, just do what I said. Go in the description and watch Part 1 before you watch this. So guys, I'm done cleaning my car from Part 1 previously. I was just about to wash my car. Alright, so this is how my car looks right now. It has a little dent up there. That's okay. You know, cars have that. And then this is back here. Right here. Alright guys, so this is right here. Alright guys, so are you guys ready for another walk? I'm gonna set this right here. Or for another drive, I should say. Here, I'm sorry. Alright, ready? Alright, let's go. I think we're gonna go down the other way, so let me pull back. That's better. Where?
Up there.
Alright, let's go. Sorry. We're gonna go.
So everything except for... Okay.
Can I fit through that?
Yeah, go ahead. No. Go, in the yard, baby.
Alright. Let's go. Slow. Very slow. Don't hurt your car. Alright, let's go. Are we on full mode? I think we're on. No, we weren't even on full mode. Let's go. Yeah, I will do this. Everybody's gonna love you. It's gonna be an awesome adventure. Oh. Here, let me put this right here again. I can't even. Wait. I think this needs to be. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. It's gonna be one down. We did not even have this much trouble in the first video. Remember, previously. Go watch that. And guys, go get some London merch. So you go London Girl shirts on Safari or Google, and then you will see my shirt. It will say London, and you guys can buy that for my merch. Good job. And then after that, you just give this video a big thumbs up, some comments, and make sure you share the subscribe button with some people. All right, let's go. Let's pretend like we're driving on the real road. Come on, dude, pick it up in high motion. Really? Whoa, we're going off the road! Whoa, so bumpy! Let's park right here. Alright guys, so we are gonna stop the car, putting it in lock. Where's lock mode? I forgot even where lock mode was. Lock. Here's lock. There. That means that I'm done. Alright, so guys, we cannot jump over this, unfortunately. But we are going to try to jump over this. So, ready? 3. Go play gamer. 3, 2, 1. I could barely even make that. There's no way I'm making this. I could barely even make that. Maybe we can, I don't know. If you guys want to see me try this, do real big comments, because I'm definitely going to have my rain boots on if I do this. Guys, here, let's go like this. Let's do the challenge. Ew, I think I just stepped in mud. Oh my goodness, I just stepped in mud. There's mud all over my shoe. Ready? Go. I could barely even make that. Let's go. Maybe I should go knock on the door for my friends if they want to try this with me. Because that'd be a lot better. Have some people at least. Ready? Yeah, I could just step over that. All right, ready? be funny if we ding dong ditched the thing. There's our car over there. Let's run. Sorry guys if it's shaky. If you guys want to see me drive my car into that swamp, give a big like. Because I don't want to mess my car up. It'd be great if we had 1 million subs. Sub-Zero exabyte. But okay guys, ready? I'll turn it. Let's go. Let's drive to my mom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And where are you going?
We're ready to go get some meat.
Mommy, say hi.
Hi. Don't put me on YouTube.
Let's go. Watch us. Ready? She's gonna watch us. She's gonna watch us. Our first visitor. Because you guys can't even watch this right now because I'm still making it. Doing the update. Ready? Let's park where we normally park. Hey guys, ready? GoPro time. Gonna be so hard. Let's go, ready? I can barely jump over that. I mean, like, really, London. If you guys want to see me do that, put a real big comment, because, oh, ew. Let's go. What the? You guys thought I was going to do that. Never judge a book by its cover. I'm just kidding. All right, that was weird. That was stupid. I shouldn't have even done that. Let's go, ready? Oh, that was so hard. If I could just jump like that, I'd probably make that. Ready? Made it. This video has been pretty long. Let's run to the car. There will be a part 3. Be soon for part 4. There might be one. Let's go on our nature walk. Moon. Ready? Skunk down there or something. I don't know. Probably. I don't even care. Hey, ow. Ready? Let's go. It's hot out here. I might need to take my sweater off. Look. Fierce. That's what I am, fierce. I don't care if I hit anything. I'm just trying not to, you know? It's so hot out here. Like, it's like I need water. Sorry, guys. I should be paying attention to the road. You guys are probably saying that in the comments right now. I can drive with no hands. Cool. All right, ready? Go to turn around here. All right, ready? Let's go back. Hey, person. Go! Go, guys! Come on! We gotta go say hi! We gotta go say hi! See, she said say hi. See? Guys. See? People are so crazy. Guys, in the comments below, comments below, guys, you put hashtag. You even know what? No. If you want to see me drive all the way down to that stop sign. The lady's walking right now. I'm sorry, lady, for disturbing you if you're watching this video. But we're going all the way down to the stop sign. So if you want to see me do that in another way, put hashtag. So many hashtags. I should stop the hashtag stuff. Well, here, guys. put hashtag one more, hashtag love if you love my channel. All right, let's go. Should we go down there? I mean, that'd be pretty funny. That'd be so funny. If we went down there, that'd be so cool. If she was watching this video, she'd probably be so mad. Like, she'd probably like, really, like, you're putting me on camera. Guys, let's go. Let's go in super full motion. No hands. Wait, you guys thought I was gonna go all the way down there? Really? Never judge a book by its cover. I went out. Musically. Alright, guys, we are gonna end this very soon. So, goodbye, my peoples. Let's make a name for you guys. How about goodbye, my fans? Goodbye, my little fans. Goodbye, my little fans and big fans. Peace out. I will see you next time. Bye.